Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to copy Base44 apps. First, open your browser and head to app.base44.com. If you're not already signed in, go through your usual sign-in flow. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to your workspaces and the apps available to your account. Once you're in, look over to the left sidebar and choose All Apps. This view pulls together the apps you have access to across your workspace, making it easy to browse or jump straight to what you need. If you're working with multiple projects or collaborating with a team, this page makes it much easier to find the application you're looking for. At the top of this page, use the search field to zero in on the app you want to copy. Type a few letters of the app name or a keyword you remember. The list will filter as you type, which is especially useful when your workspace contains dozens or even hundreds of apps. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct app by checking its name and any identifying details shown in the list. Spending a few seconds verifying this can help you avoid cloning the wrong project. Next, move to the right side of that app's row and click the three-dot menu, sometimes called the ellipsis. This menu contains several actions you can perform for that specific app. From the menu, choose Copy App ID. That puts a direct link to the app on your clipboard, which is handy if you want to share the original with a teammate, include it in documentation, or save the reference in your personal notes for quick access later. You can close the panel when you're done. The link is already copied, so there's nothing else you need to do before moving on. Now return to the same three-dot menu for that app and click it again. This time, select Clone App. Cloning creates a separate copy that you can modify without affecting the original. This is particularly useful when you want to experiment with new features, test changes, or create a new version of an existing project while keeping the original app untouched. Depending on your setup, you may be prompted to give the clone a new name or pick a destination workspace. Choose a name that's easy to recognize, especially if you plan to keep multiple versions of the same project. Make any quick adjustments, then confirm to start the clone. You might see a brief loading indicator while Base44 prepares the duplicate. The amount of time this takes can vary depending on the size and complexity of the application. When the process completes, you'll see the new app appear in your list, often with a name that indicates it's a copy. This confirms that the cloning process was successful. Open it to make sure everything looks right. It's always a good idea to quickly review the cloned app before you begin making changes. It's a good idea to immediately rename the clone to something descriptive so you and your teammates can tell it apart at a glance. Using names like development, testing, or version 2 can make project management much easier over time. If you don't see share or clone in the menu, your permissions may be limited and you'll need an admin to grant access. Workspace administrators can typically adjust your permissions if cloning or sharing is required for your role. Otherwise, you can repeat these steps to copy additional apps as needed. The process remains the same regardless of which app you're duplicating. That's the full workflow. Go to Base44, open All Apps, search for the target, copy the share link, then clone from the three-dot menu. Simple, fast, and reliable. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other Base44 tutorials for more tips and walkthroughs.